I was in the Singapore Air Force. I had 3 portfolios, and the first was Commander Air Power Generation Command, and under that, I was in charge of all the air bases. I was also the Chief Innovation Officer for the Air Force. I'm responsible for ensuring the culture as well as the energy of the Air Force in innovating, looking ahead, and always challenging the status quo. And my last job was I was Deputy Chief Sustainability Officer. What is appealing and of great interest to me is this idea of a circular economy and how I feel that it can make a big difference in the carbon emissions as well as footprint for the entire planet. A lot of times the conversation that you hear out in the mainstream media is about how development goals are in conflict with green goals. But actually the circular economy is one way to circumvent that, prevent that Hobson's choice, because you can do your part for the environment and make economic sense as well. I see Nandina's role in this, so I do hope to play my part in furthering this as well. As we all know now, national security and supply chain rigor is something that is forefront in a lot of governments and militaries' mind. Things like onshoring, friendshoring, nearshoring. And if we can actually put in circular as part of this conversation, I think it would help both the circular economy and the businesses involved in this get greater salience and importance. Also, hopefully it will help countries and militaries improve their resilience and self-sufficiency by using this circular economy and the circular aspects of the work that we do in Nandina and all other industries as well. Have a go at it, take the plunge. Sustainability, green economy as well as circular economy are areas that I think are of great potential and not as difficult to get into as what one would imagine. A lot of things are still in the nascency stage. It's not so much entrenched information or knowledge, but really a lot of fresh perspectives, groundbreaking work, lead-turning issues. I think that's where people with our backgrounds in the military and defense thrive in. A lot of uncertainty as well, building up new processes, new plants, new areas of work. And so that's where I think people with expertise in big established organizations can bring to bear some of their experience running operations and pathfinding at the same time as well.